Lowell General Hospital has a culture unlike any hospital I've seen.
The residency program at Lowell General Hospital is uniquely positioned to give our residents that one-on-one mentorship so they can ultimately achieve their career goals. We get applicants not only from the region but from all over the country every year, and we only take 2 residents. We do that because we want to maintain high quality standards for our program, and we want to make sure that we can provide adequate mentorship so students can go on and not only learn the skills they need here, but to go on and really excel in their careers.
We look for residents that are flexible. We look for residents that are driven and want to make the most out of their year.
Those who aren't afraid to ask for help, who aren't afraid to ask questions, but are always willing to put their nose down and just go to work and work hard throughout the year.
Residents are offered a very flexible experience that is geared towards their career goals and what they want to achieve. When they come into this program, they can make of it what they want. And by the end of it, the goal of our pharmacy team is to help them get to where they need to be.
Tufts Medicine offers some unique advantages to Lowell General Hospital. We get to partner with a major academic medical center while still maintaining our community identity. It makes for a very family-friendly training environment while still practicing on the cutting edge of medicine.
The program gives you a lot of different opportunities depending on what you're interested in. So it's nice having only 2 residents, so yourself and 1 co-resident, and that gives you a lot of flexibility and the option to cater and tailor the program to what you're interested in.
Each resident will be individual with the preceptor during that rotation, and this allows for very close monitoring where the residents feel comfortable making these interventions, and the preceptor is really able to oversee and create sort of a individualized schedule for them that allows them to slowly build on their own and allow them to become confident where they're at a point of independence.
We also want them to walk away with strong communication skills that they're going to be able to use with patients and other healthcare providers. And we want them to walk away with the ability to educate the next generation of our pharmacists.
What really attracted me to Lowell General and why I've stayed since finishing residency was the people. I went through applying for residency during COVID, so everything was virtual. I didn't get to see Lowell General until I stepped foot on the hospital property for my first day of residency. And it was that sense of community and how welcoming everybody was that could just be felt through all of the Zoom calls and Zoom interviews that I went through. And I think that still has just rang true through to this day.
Before I started the residency, I was still building on my clinical knowledge from school. I had only seen really a handful of patient cases through my API rotation, and by the end of the year, I felt like I was a very well-rounded pharmacist, able to practice in a number of different clinical settings.
My experience as a former resident at Lowell General Hospital gave me the skill set and the confidence to become the pharmacy specialist that I am today, and gave me what I needed to grow.
So we've been very fortunate that we've been in a position to hire many of our past residents, and many of them have stayed on to either become clinical specialists or go on to leadership positions after working here for a couple of years.
I was hired on as a clinical staff pharmacist. There was a position open here, and I was hired on right away and was able to start as soon as I completed my residency.
I wanted to pursue a job at Lowell General Hospital, so after the year was completed, I ended up wanting to stay here and to become a clinical pharmacist, and through that, continue having a role in the residency program.
Just the experiences and the opportunities I've been able to receive from this program and then give back post-residency as a preceptor have been so fulfilling.
We really foster the growth of our residents in a warm, welcoming environment, and the staff is really a family here, and it's really hard to find that anywhere else.
I still would pick Lowell General first all over again.
We hope you will consider starting your career with us.